Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And this today's video I'm going to show you how you can manage who can add you to WhatsApp group chat. Alright guys, first of all, let's just open the WhatsApp application, and then after the WhatsApp application has been opened, we can click on this three dots button on the top right corner of our screen. Then we can click on settings option. So this is the settings option, and then on the settings option we can select the privacy setting. Okay, and since we want to manage the group chat, we can click on groups option. Then you can select who can add you to WhatsApp group chat. Right here you can select everyone, my contacts, or my contacts accept. And then for me, I'm just gonna select my contacts, so only my contacts who can add me to the WhatsApp group chat. Alright guys, and that's how we can manage who can tag us, who can add us to WhatsApp group chat. Hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next tutorial.